Hello everybody! Today I am unboxing this Severus Snape Wizarding World Harry Potter doll from Mattel, and I think it seems kind of cool. I can see he doesn't have like real hair, but maybe it's he has to keep his look, because how would he look with like a big fluffy hair? So he needs to have the distinguished, cool look that he has in the movies. These dolls are very easy to open, which is great, because I get bored with the packages that just won't cave. I really like the outfit. It's really nice, like serious looking Professor Kate and I am not. I like Harry Potter, but I'm not a special specialist fan. So I don't know if the wands are different here. I wouldn't like know Severus Snape's wand from Harry Potter's. Okay. I was shaking out. Okay, look. I really like his face. He looks really good, and he's painted and what's some food? There's some. That's weird. Oh, well. It's a very good doll. Yes, but it's a very plain doll. But it's a very good doll for the collection. And I'm looking to see to have all the Harry Potter dolls with all movies, because that are the ones that I have been watching when I grew up. So I know they are making a new one, right? New series. Okay, I'm very happy with this one. It's really beautiful, and maybe it was a good choice to make the hair like this. I'm not sure, but it's good anyways. And this doll is from 2019, and did these two come at the same time? I had the other Luna. I wanted this one at first, but I had the other one because this one was a bit pricey. 2019. Okay, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more dolls and Harry Potter dolls, especially right now. Okay, bye bye.